Good morning. Welcome to the E3 Weekly Market Report. I'm Pat McClatchy. It's the 8th of December. Exports were delayed a few minutes. They've just come out. Let's go straight to those right now and see what we've got. Very large number in cotton and 405,200 running bales. That's a marketing year high, up noticeably from the previous week and 93% from the 4-week average. Vietnam took 103,200. Turkey took 74,600. China took 60,800. And as I look through here, good takers across the board here. Now, cotton, obviously, we've got to react to this. Cotton was up 4 before this number. Now it's up 63. So that trade is trading at 71.70 in that area. With a high of 71.90 made here just in the last minute. So that's the reaction and the number for cotton. Going now to soybeans, 1,461,700 metric tons. That's up 10% from the previous week and 5% from the 4-week average. China took 1,566,900. Pakistan took 76,000. The Netherlands took 70,100. Then we did have cancellations of 501,400. The soybean market was actually down 10 just before this report came out, and right now soybeans are down 8.25. So they firmed up a small amount so far. Corn. Let me double check. The numbers are very close to soybeans. Corn, 1,495,400. Excuse me, that's up 96% from the previous week and 12% over the 4-week average. Peru is the lead taker here, taking 426,000 metric tons. Japan takes 320,800 metric tons. Mexico takes 218,800 metric tons. Corn was unchanged before the report. Right now, corn is up a half, so it's firmed up slightly. Let's see what else we've got for wheat. 503,100 metric tons, up 4% from the previous week, but down 22% from the 4-week average. Taiwan takes 125,300 metric tons. Japan takes 103,400 metric tons. China takes 57,700 metric tons. Wheat, just before the report, was up 4. Right now, wheat's up 4.5. So, in review, very strong number for cotton. Twice what has been what we've been seeing in cotton, and a surprise for the market. And the market is up right now 67. It was up 4 just before the report, so it's had a positive reaction there. Soybeans, good number, but we've seen good numbers for months. Corn seemed to be a pretty good number, and so was wheat. Not getting much reaction there. Let's quickly look at recent activity in the cotton, soybeans, and corn. Looking at cotton, we've been looking for the last couple of months in cotton at a longer-term sideways market. Price action has just been trapped between, say, 68 and 72.5, and we'll see if this good export report can break us out to the upside or at least revisit that higher level. Expect to continue to see sideways for some time to come, but also expect as we move forward toward the spring and into the planting period and early summer to see these markets move higher. Upside projections anywhere from 74 cents, 75 cents up, even as high in the upper 70 levels, 77 perhaps. But for now, we've been trapped sideways, and we'll just see if this number today and the crop report coming out tomorrow, if once we get past that, we have an opportunity maybe to test some higher levels. So looking at soybeans, January soybeans, they've been in a trading range here recently between a high of 1065 and a low of 1022. Right now, the January soybeans were at 1041, last trading there. December can be a choppy month for soybeans and for corn. It's a holiday season, and people aren't as likely to take significant positions during this time, and markets can remain choppy. Looking for that market to have an upside potential looking forward of $11 to $11.20, in whatever the old crop lead month would be. There is a possibility of a pullback approaching maybe 10, 10, 10, 10, 15 if we were to see some profit taking. As we know, in soybeans, nothing goes in one direction. It can be a very volatile market. Corn's been in a trading range between 364 and 342 here recently. Also looking for a choppy market maybe to continue. Upside target in March corn, and March corn is trading at 358 and a half right now. Upside target there of possibly 380. Downside target on a pullback 345. So that's it. That's review. See where these markets are right now. We have cotton unable to sustain its rally, or at least it has pulled back from it, up 37 at 71.42. It did get to 71.90, ran into selling up there. So the sideways appears it will continue. Soybeans right now down 8.5. Corn up 0.5. Wheat up 4.5. So we don't have any dramatic movement through the grains. That is it. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.